Mr. Mitos, back with another video. So check this out, guys. We headed to the park with Optimus Prime. Alright guys, we're on location with Optimus Prime. Check it out, check it out. This is your Traxxas Xmaxx. I don't know what version this is. I've had it since 2021. It's got a wide body kit on it. It's got everything else is stock. Only thing I switched out was the wide body kit, the tires, which are duratrax lockup tires, belted. And I put a 20, I changed the gearing. It's got like a 27 or 28 tooth pinion and whatever other gears, high gear or high run gear, whatever it comes in the box. So that's what's on there. Other than that, everything else is stock. Oh yeah, I changed the shock caps to proline shock caps because I had an accident and it busted one of the caps. So that's about it, guys. So I'm gonna do a really quick run. Got a light kit on it. So boom, tail light, boom. This is an actual GoPro mount, but I don't have the GoPro with me to strap on there. But yeah, it's gonna go ahead and give it a real quick run, and then we're gonna get up out of here. Let's get it. Yeah, guys. Go ahead and take it in this grass real quick. Just give you guys a 360 look with the glow. And the glow changes colors. This is another brute body by Proline, the same body that I have on my Creighton EXB, which is Megatron. And this is Optimus Prime. It's like a big dinosaur. Bunch of dinosaurs.
What's it supposed to sound like?
Oh. You can definitely tell the difference with the I'm gonna come change the color so I can see it a little better. Guys just bucking around, huh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna change the color on it real quick. Something that we can see a little bit better. Oh, look at that red. Yeah. I'm gonna go with this color. Go with the green. Green a little bit easier to see. Let's walk this way. Towards the light. Yeah, that wide body definitely helps with turning over. That's for sure. Fifth scale Friday, guys. Friday night, to be exact. Feel pretty good out here. Damn. Okay. I need to check my gearing, oil some stuff up. You know, whoa. Now this one, I don't know where this one falls on my list of RCs. Maybe number 5. I know this guy is like on the top of a lot of people's lists. And as a basher, if you're one of those guys that do a lot of bashing, this is it right here. Like, it's plastic. You know, everything bends. Ain't a lot of breakage on here unless you don't know what you're doing. You know, then you can break it. Other than that, yeah, this is the Outcast Optimus Prime, guys, with the night glow. You feel me? But I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, guys. And see you guys tomorrow when I take the Mojave out for his maiden run. Winter time. You know, and we're gonna see what it do. Whoa! Whoa! Almost hit that tree. Am I upside down? Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can flip it over. Let me see. Oh, that was it right there. Damn. Now it's on the side. All right, let me go ahead. Walk of shame. Get your ass over. There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy. All right, you guys. That's gonna be it. It's a really quick run, not too long of a video. You guys seen Xmaxx's. Ain't nothing special about this guy. He just glow, and he in the collection. And I gotta like this for a reason. Didn't want to do too much mods with it. Just want to take it out and run it, and ain't got to worry about tuning or none of that. Just run it. Yep. Well, this your boy, Mr. Mitos. Like, comment, and subscribe. And again, we got what, 10 more days? 8 more days? Something like that for the giveaway. Make sure you guys enter for that Valkyrie giveaway. And then stay tuned for more videos, guys. Peace and blessings. Go.